Whether you want to edit videos for your YouTube channel as a hobby or professional work, I will help you find the correct software for you. The software listed in this video will be suitable for editors in any category: beginners, intermediates, and professional editors. Links to all of the software we mentioned will be listed in the description below. Let's get started with the list. Number 5, we have the Filmora, which is the easiest to use. Want to start your journey of creating content for your YouTube channel? Or perhaps you're looking for a platform that can help you create stunning videos so that you can share them among your social networks? Or maybe you want to make a professional video for your brand and need a tool for it. Whatever may be your requirements, Filmora X can help you with them. This beginner-friendly video making platform packs powerful professional features and provides them such that you can implement them with ease in your videos. One of the finest video editing features offered by Filmora X is that of motion tracking. Using this feature, you can track a particular moving object in the video. Once that's tracked, you can add text, images, or other objects to it that follow the very same movement. Want to add more character and movement to your videos? Keyframing animations is the answer. This amazing feature lets you create stunning animations within your videos with ease. One of the finest video editing features offered by Filmora X is that of color matching. This allows you to be consistent with the colors of all of your clips to polish your video. The video editing features offered by Filmora X go above and beyond these features. These include the likes of transform, compositing, stabilization, lens correction, chroma key, and more. Filmora X is a solid choice for novice editors who want to have fun making videos. It's got an attractive interface, is easy to learn, and has a number of features designed to enhance creativity. But because a lot of its features are designed for simplicity, they lack the manual controls to fine-tune edits. If you want to be precise, Adobe Premiere may be a better option, or if you're confident enough to try a more complex option, Pinnacle Studio. Number 4, we have the Pinnacle Studio 25, which is best for the intermediates. What I love the most about Pinnacle Studio is that you can do almost anything that can be done with high-end video editing software, but easier. The Pinnacle Studio is a video editing application that's steadily become speedier and more powerful with each iteration. Pinnacle is aimed at near-professional level enthusiasts, featuring excellent editing features and effects such as stop-motion video, multicam editing, and motion tracking. Headlining the new features for the latest version are 8K support, smart object tracking, blend modes, and custom audio noise reduction. Other recent feature additions include version 24's face motion tracking with mosaic blur, updated title editor, and improved keyframe controls. The previous version, 23, added important new tools of its own, including clip nesting, animated GIF creation, color LUT presets, selective color vector scopes, and batch processing. As you can see, each new version that comes out is packed with new features, unlike other software that keep advertising the same old features over and over again. Pinnacle's editing interface is pleasing and flexible. It sports flat, 2D icons, and a black and gray color scheme. The program uses the concept of project bins, in which you stash all the content for a given movie project, clips, photos, and sound files, but not effects and transitions. Overall, I would say that the Pinnacle Studio is an excellent choice for mid-level editors. It's too complex for novices and too basic for professionals, but offers exactly what's needed to confident home users wanting to expand their editing skills, or to small or medium businesses wanting to make professional marketing videos. And number 3, we have Davinci Resolve, which is best for advanced free option. Although it's free, Davinci Resolve puts up tough competition against other industry-leading video software like Adobe Premiere Pro and Apple's Final Cut Pro. Both of these come with hefty price tags and don't offer as many post-production solutions in one space as Davinci Resolve does. Davinci Resolve first started as color correction software, but it evolved over the years and now houses all the post-production tools you'll need to get a film ready. It offers support for editing, color correction, visual effects, motion graphics, and audio post-production. To ensure the whole gamut of high-end tools doesn't overwhelm users, Davinci Resolve is split into dedicated workspaces known as pages. Each page gives you tools to handle specific post-production tasks. You'll find editing on the cut and edit pages, color correction on the color page, motion graphics and visual effects on the fusion page, audio on the Fairlight page, and media organization and output on the media and deliver pages. Everything is well organized and you can switch between workspaces with just a click. On the Fusion page, you can create visual effects and motion graphics using several 2D and 3D tools. With this, you can get rid of unwanted objects in the frame, place characters into 3D scenes, or even create animated titles. The Edit page has an elaborate multi-cam interface to edit complex footage from multiple cameras. You'll find support to edit projects that have 4, 8, 16 or more cameras, and you can view footage from all the cameras playing back at the same time. Davinci Resolve is powerful video editing software, and version 17 is even more intuitive and streamlined. With its all-in-one post-production solution, wide range of audio, video, and color correcting tools, and multi-user collaboration feature, it's equipped to meet all your editing needs. Although it's free and beginners could use it, this is complex software with hundreds of powerful tools and features that can overwhelm a beginner. If you're looking to do basic editing, you should try something like Filmora X first. And number 2, we have Adobe After Effects, which is best for special effects. Adobe After Effects doesn't need an introduction. It is one-of-a-kind software that helps you turn your imaginations into reality. Adobe After Effects is an incredible compositing software that makes great motion graphics and visual effects. Used in conjunction with the myriad of Adobe applications like Premiere Pro and Animate, this application is a powerful tool for filmmakers. The program is one of the best applications on the market. After Effects remains as one of the best programs for creating special effects and animated graphics. The software is widely used in the industry, utilized by professionals and hobbyists alike. Adobe After Effects is a difficult program to learn. You will need to spend many hours on tutorials and lessons to master the software's full capabilities. With this in mind, Adobe thankfully provides many resources to help you learn the program. However, once you get the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. You could spend years using it and still only have scratched the surface. The only limit is your imagination and the power of your GPU, of course. It allows you to manipulate different layers of art to create 2D vector animation, character and basic 3D animation, visual effects, and kinetic typography. Adobe After Effects CC's latest version showcases a new tool that enables users to make interactive motion graphics and animations with data files. With this feature, users can import JSON data files to the app to add animations to the composition. Overall, my experience with Adobe After Effects is great. I had to watch many tutorials just to get the hang of it. However, its capability to create amazing effects outweighs the learning curve. And number 1, we have Adobe Premiere Pro, which is best all around. Without a doubt, Premiere Pro is the best video editing software out there, period. This software is used by Hollywood employees and allows users to turn unprocessed shots into full-fledged cinematography products. Adobe Premiere Pro earns its status as industry-standard video editing software thanks to its familiar non-linear editing interface, unmatched ecosystem of tools, and powerful capabilities. Premiere Pro's interface is all about enhancing productivity while ensuring simplicity. It does this by arranging the application into different workspaces such as editing, effects, and audio. Each workspace helps you to manage a specific task and minimizes distraction. A great feature for beginners is the Learning Workspace, which presents a set of easy-to-follow tutorials on how to use Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro allows users to open multiple projects at the same time. It means they can switch between scenes and move clips from one project to another. Such a great option saves more time by adding essential scenes to the video they are working on every time. Those who have a high degree of familiarity with other tools in the Adobe Creative Suite might find it easier to use Premiere Pro than other video editing programs, but the majority of users will find it overwhelming at first. The program's user interface feels restrictive at times and requires some practice before it can be used swiftly. That said, once you get down all the hotkeys and know where to look, the UI becomes a tremendous asset. Once you learn to use it, you won't have to learn to use any other video editing software ever because Premiere Pro can do it all. Overall, I'd say that if you're looking for the best of the best and want something that can do it all, then it's impossible to beat Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright guys, with that being said, we reached the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or any other recommendations, let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.